Let's take a look at how Flownex models transient heat load fluctuations in data center cooling systems. Modern data centers often face sudden spikes in cooling demand. For example, when AI training or other intensive workloads start simultaneously. These rapid changes can cause temperature rises if the cooling controls can't react quickly enough, potentially leading to thermal throttling. With Flownex, engineers can simulate these events to ensure system stability, maintain target temperatures, and optimize control strategies before deployment. Using the same network built for thermal ride-through studies, Flownex can also analyze load ramp scenarios. In this example, our system starts at 30% IT load, with 2 of 3 chillers staged down. When the IT load ramps to 100% in just 60 seconds, the chillers and pumps must respond rapidly to meet the new demand. The first simulation uses a traditional chiller staging method based on average chilled water supply temperature. As the load ramps up, we see unintended flow through offline chillers, which prematurely depletes buffer tanks and allows warmer water to reach the IT racks. By simply adjusting the control logic closing isolation valves for offline chillers, we prevent unwanted flow and maintain more stable operation. However, even with this fix, the standard staging still delays chiller startup until buffer tanks are nearly empty. This leads to temporary hotspots and can push system temperatures close to SLA limits. To solve this, we updated the control logic to stage up chillers based on IT load, not temperature. The results speak for themselves. Chilled water supply temperature increases by only 1 degree instead of 4, and the system maintains a far more stable thermal profile. Flownex makes it possible to visualize, analyze, and perfect control strategies before implementation. IT load ramp scenarios ensure your data center cooling systems stay reliable under the most demanding conditions. For a detailed review of IT load ramps, go watch the full webinar on YouTube for deeper insights, and don't forget to subscribe. Feel free to contact us or to request a demo at flownex.com.